Congratulations.
Thank you. Parang surreal moment kasi kasama ko po yung best friend ko since day one. And to be in a room kasama ko ng big artist, we're both an inspiration talaga. And if more, if anything, makes us want to work harder and do better for you guys.
Kaya ako, tonight we got to share the same award together. And other than that, we're in this award night with other big stars and people that we really look up to. Kaya it's super touching for us. We're gonna remember this.
Yes.
Pero yun nga, let this not be the end all be all, but just a sign to keep on doing good work and working hard.
Nakapag-adjust ba kayo sa showbiz?
Oo. Nakapag-adjust na ba kayo sa showbiz?
I mean, we try every day. Siyempre naman we try, we put in the effort every day. And I would like to say yes.
Yeah, pwede na ba?
Po, pero malayo pa rin ang journey po namin. Malayo pa. And we're more than willing to put in the work.
Ano sabi ng parents mo sa awards ninyo?
Wala, they just said, to embrace it, and of course, this is not the end all be all. Continue to work hard. This is just the beginning of the journey, and just embrace it and be nice to everyone.
Ano sabi ni Ashley?
Ang sabi po nila is that they're very, very proud for both me and Andres. And for them, it's a surreal moment that, of course, syempre naman, we're together tonight. And tonight, Andres is my name. And to be with him and to receive an award with him side by side, for our parents to see that is also another surreal moment.
Andres, anong feeling mo, no? Kasi meron lang following yung love team mo.
Ashley.
Ay na po. Anong feeling lang?
Sorry po?
Meron lang following yung inyong love team.
Of course, I'm very thankful and grateful for all the support from everyone in the fans. It's really touching talaga na there are people supporting us every day, and honestly, we're just working hard to do our best to put out the best for you guys. So,
Last, namimiss ka ng mga fans mo sa Igbo ba? Kailan ka ba?
May timing ko rin po, pero sobrang dismiss ko po ng mga Dapper Cats. Once my schedule frees up, balik na po ako.
Balik na. Ano payo mo sa kanya ngayong may debida na siya sa Badging News?
ano po?
Ano payo mo sa kanya?
Tash, kaya niya yan. Si Tash, super talented siya. And kahit if I give her advice, yan, always talk about it.
Thank you. Congratulations!
Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Bye, Fred. Thank you.